So the work day is over and it's time to go for a ride. I'm gonna go out on a typical loop around the local park by my house, and today I'm trying on this 1x2 Insta360 1x2 camera, but on a chest mount that I found online. I'm gonna give this a try. You know, normally it's on an extension stick that goes out in front of the bike, but this time we're just gonna see what sort of view we can get with it this way. All right, let's go give it a shot.
I like your jersey.
Thanks. So I'm getting close to a point at Creve Coeur Park where I can get on some trails that'll take me to the Katy Trail. And the Katy Trail is this big, huge state park that leads basically from Kansas City all the way to St. Charles, Missouri. Used to be a rail line, now it's a bike trail. I'm not going to go there today only because I don't have as much sunlight. It's getting close to sundown around here, but I'll still have plenty of time to get around the lake and keep testing out this camera mount. So far it seems to be working pretty well, so we'll see how if it keeps up. On your left. Okay, made it back. About a short 12-mile ride. It's starting to get warm out here, but it's still pretty comfortable, so that's good. Looking forward to seeing what this footage looks like. The way this thing works is that it screws into the mount on the GoPro Chesty, and then it banks around here and it screws in to the bottom of the 1x2. So since it's a 3D camera, I mean, when I first looked at the footage, it might be just at my chest, but you can spin it around and see what's out there. So kind of looking forward to seeing what I was able to capture, and hopefully I can put something mildly entertaining together. Okay, well, that's it for now, and thanks for watching. See ya.